Alright everybody, welcome back to this episode of This Old Van. Oh, okay, maybe that's not right. Welcome back to Traveling Outside the Bots. I am John, and we're going to continue to work on the van a little today. Just a little side project. We're going to finally get our swivel seats in that we waited about a month and a half for. They bought them around the Christmas season. It was very popular. I think it is called the Sportscraft model. I'll link it in the description below. Definitely excited to feel like something is getting done. So we're just going to be putting one on the passenger seat right now. More than likely I'll be buying another for my driver. Initially we thought we may have a wall dividing that, but I want to leave it open, so we're probably getting a second one if this goes good. So it should be pretty easy. Nothing's too easy with me. In the back we have 1, 2, 3, 4 bolts to remove, 2 in the front when you slide the seat back. The swivel goes on that pedestal, and then the seat goes back on top of the swivel, so should be pretty straightforward. It's time to swivel. Here's my swivel adapter. The swivel goes towards the outside by the door. It's supposed to be off-centered swivel, meaning you can swivel the chair with the door closed. Hopefully that is correct. They are heavy. My bolts, everything there, and we'll see how we do. I'll just be using a standard socket set. I believe this is a T40 that we'll be using, and should be pretty straightforward. If you had a bulk divider that I've already taken out, or maybe you had your build in place, you'd have to take this out through the door. Pretty easy, just remove the seatbelt harness. I've already taken this out and I have open space. I'm just trying to set it on the back and we'll see how that works. We're going to end up leaving this area empty. However, down the line, if we get into cold weather, I don't know that we will, but we can tap in a diesel heater here. Not needed now, but something for the future. All right, they said that we may have to remove this to put the seat on. We will see. works well. You can swivel the seat around with the door closed. It definitely does raise the seat some. I don't think a lot, but I can feel it. We're not the tallest people, so might need a little ottoman under there. But definitely, I mean, that opens up the van quite a bit. I just got to get my junk out of the way. Now, the raising the seat really isn't too bad. I'm 5'8"-ish, maybe 5'9", probably 5'8". My wife is 5'2", so if you're not quite as short as us, it might be a little easier. It's just under 2 inches. One 7/8 inch.
Yeah, at this point I was still pretty new to the van. I ended up sitting down in the seat, playing around with all the different little red levers, and you can actually drop the seat height with a couple of those. So I was able to make up almost the entire 2 inches. So after installing the seats, pretty much was at break even after I figured out how to adjust the seat properly. So there's that.